Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your Redmi 17 is overheating while charging. First of all, if you're using fast charging, it's completely normal for your device to heat up. If you want to improve the situation, remove the protective case from your phone. Also place it in a well-ventilated room away from direct sunlight. And otherwise, if your device is overheating even when you're using the default charging settings, then we should look for for applications absorbing your battery, draining your battery in the background. Now, first of all, I highly recommend checking the debloating guide for a smartphone in our video. It's quite a long one, but it's definitely worth it if you want to prevent this from happening in long-term period. But what we can also do on our smartphone is go to Game Turbo or Game Space and tap the gear icon in the top right corner and disable or enable performance optimization, especially if you like to play games on your device, which I highly do not recommend playing your device while your smartphone is charging. Try to avoid doing it, as well as try avoiding abusing your device while it's charging. Also check settings, go to battery, check which applications are using your device the most in the background by scrolling a bit down and seeing all of these applications here. Select one application and restrict background activities for this application. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.